Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hard reset your TOZO A2. So to do this, first of all we have to grab our earbuds like that and we have to power them off by clicking and holding right here together. Let's put it one close to your ear to hear that notification sound. Let's do this one more time. I just probably click in the wrong place, so click and hold a little bit lower. There we go. Now release and click and hold for at least 8 seconds until you hear PTP pairing. There we go. Right now we can just release, and that's the reset of these earbuds. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.